a little bit different today. A PWM controller. I wanted to, I had a little project, what my father requested. So he wanted a little, something to slow down a little DC motor. So I got this little kit off of Banggood. Let's get it out and I'll show you. Okay, zoom in a bit, shall we? Okay, I hope that's a bit clearer. So you get a little DC motor and you get all the little bits, little pick chip and all the little bits you need, switches, little LED. It's not very clear on when you get it. You literally just get it like this. So what I've done is I've marked up the resistors so it's easier. I mean, luckily on the board it shows you what is going where, so it's fairly basic sort of stuff really. So what I'll do is I'll make it up now. I'll show a picture of all the resistors, because in the picture that Banggood show, I think there was 1 or 2 resistors. There's a blue one and there isn't a blue one here, so obviously it's a different type, but it's still the same value. So I'll show them up on the screen and I'll get this built together so we can have a look. Okay, just remember these diodes, there's a little line there and this one's the other way. Everyone else is facing that way, this one's the opposite way, so just remember that. Right, so I've put the long end, which is the anode, I do believe it is, at the top. On the information on Banggood, it says it takes 12 to 6 volts, so I'm assuming I can just run 6 volts into there. Right, clean all this rubbish off. So what I'll do is I'll take a high-res picture of this and I'll flash it up on the screen for you for reference. Hopefully I've done it right. If I have, then you'll be seeing the picture. So I've got some old ribbon cable here, so I'm going to use some of this for the power lead. Okay, so I'll stick a little bit of tape on this, you can see it. There we go. Right, what I've done is I've hooked up I've got a 7 or 8 volt supply on there at the moment. Apparently it does take up to 12. So turn it on. There we go. And then turn the potentiometer up. Hey, presto. Full speed. There we go, look at that. Excellent stuff. Yeah, that certainly does work. And there you go. And that is your little PWM pulse width modulation unit from Banggood. So that's a good little fun project. So like I say, I've probably put up a high-res picture on there so you can see which way everything goes, but it really is nice and simple. Thanks very much. See you later.